So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the screen on a Dell Inspiron 17 5000 series. I ordered my screen off of laptopscreen.com, and I ordered, you have a chance of glossy or matte. I ordered the matte. I had the glossy before, this is my old screen. I already changed it, and I definitely prefer the matte just because it's a lot less reflective and it's easier on the eyes. So all you're going to need is your laptop, the new screen, screwdriver, and I just have a little box for all the screws because you're going to be dealing with some pretty small screws. So first what you're going to do is you're going to find the weak spot on the shell, and you're just going to run it up, and it should come loose. You're just going to run that through all the way down. It's a little more difficult on the bottom, but easier with two hands. Okay, so once you get that off, you're gonna notice that there's a screw right here at the top left, screw on the top right, and then 4 screws on the bottom left and the bottom right. And you're just gonna take all of these out. All through there. So once you have those screws out, you're just gonna lower your laptop screen, and the outer part should pop right off. Just be careful because there's a wire connected. And the last 2 things you have to do, so there's gonna be 3 small black screws along the frame. And you're just gonna wanna unscrew those, and your screen is gonna pop right out of this frame. And the last thing you have to do for that is disconnect this. And all you have to do for this, it's like tape, you just pull it towards you, and it pops right out of there. Just make sure you don't pull up, pull towards you. And on your new screen, it's gonna have the same thing. So then you just put your new screen where your old screen was, align it with this, pop that right in place, and just to be sure everything's in right, you're gonna open your laptop screen, and if it turns on, it's connected. So then once you do that, you just put it back inside of this frame, screw the black screws back in to each side, and then the last thing you do is just connect all these back together, and then put the shell back on, and you should be all set.